In this Shopify tutorial, I will demonstrate you how you can add your favorite Shopify apps to a navigation menu. So first of all, log in Shopify account and then click on Settings. Then look for Apps and Sales Channels. Then look for the app that you wish to add. And for the purpose of this example, I'll go ahead and add MailChimp, and then we'll add the Order Printer app. So let me go ahead and open the MailChimp app, and then click Open App. And once the app opens, in the top right corner, you will see the pin. And you can go ahead and select it. As you can see, the app shows up in the navigation menu. Now let's go back and do the same thing for the other application. Order Printer, and then Open App. And once again, let's pin it. And then we can also rearrange it. So let me go ahead and I should drag the Order Printer to the top and then MailChimp underneath, and we'll keep the Translate and Adapt app all the way at the bottom. And just in case if you go to your apps and sales channels and you realize that some of the apps don't have the pin option, this means that it's either a custom app or the app opens in a new window. Unfortunately, in those scenarios, you won't be able to add them to your dashboard navigation. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.